Welcome to Bearman Draws' epic tier list of all the random images I could find on Google. I have 14 items here, and today we're going to rank them from S being the best to F being flux capacitor. Makes no sense. Okay, first one, Elf. He looks amazing. I will have to put him on an A tier. Just his blank stare has opened me up to so many possibilities. Next one is... Hold on, I need to change something really quick. Hold up. There we go. Okay, for real though, this guy is an easy S tier because go subscribe. But he has no color right now, so I want to make an updated one, but like, hold on. Okay, number 10. He's been killing Jerry too many times, so I'm gonna get help. Stop it. Okay. Number 6 is this horrific dog. I'm gonna put him where you can't see him because obviously I'm gonna get nightmares. Okay. Number 4 is DJ Khaled Dobbin. Now obviously this gets an S tier. No. This gets an F tier. I'm sorry. He gets an F tier. But now DJ Khaled Dobbin, that gets an easy S tier, boys. Next one is this duck. Is this leaked footage of Donald Duck when he's out partying. I'm going to put him at a C. No, actually a B. He looks kind of cute, so... I'm gonna put him on the B. Number 8 is me again. Number 9 is Surprise Pikachu. Now I like Pikachu, so this would be an A tier. But he's surprised, so this is going to be an S tier. Number 11 is Surprise Patrick. Now, I don't like Surprise Patrick, and Surprise SpongeBob just makes it worse. But I misspoke. Surprise SpongeBob just makes it better. So instead of an F, this is getting an E. And the last one is this picture of a rabbit with a pancake on its head. Now, Wilbur is offended because he cannot do that. So I will have to put him at a E tier because honestly, that's just cute. Okay, this is my tier list. I have one last thing for you epic gamers here. Okay. I have one more surprise for you though. Here. Dear God, I swear. Subscribe, boys. Okay, that S tier here. That's an easy S tier, okay? Easy S tier. Okay, eat your broccoli.